attending 23rd General Assembly of United Nations World Tourism Organization, which is taking place in St. Petersburg, Russia. United Nations World Tourism Organization, or UNWTO, is a specialized agency within the United Nations structure that focuses on tourism. Its official mandate is to promote sustainable, responsible, and universally accessible tourism. UNWTO grew out of an international union of official tourism organizations, and for much of its history actually it was focusing on tourism business and promoting tour operators and tourism as economic sector. However, since the inclusion of World Tourism Organization into the United Nations structure, it's focusing more and more on sustainability and also achieving sustainable development goals. General Assembly is a biannual event, and this is the first time it's held in Russia. It welcomes about 150 representatives of country members, also 6 associate members, and many of the 500 affiliate members. So actually the governments of different nations and non-governmental organizations and private companies and also education providers are all presented here. So this is a very important meeting of leaders of tourism around the world. It lasts 5 days and includes plenary meetings as well as specialized meetings for certain groups by region or by interest. Discussion topics aim to address some of the current trends and issues in tourism. This year, some of the major topics were related to technology and digitalization, sustainable tourism, medical and health tourism, and also education and training. Member organizations showcase some of the innovations that use technology to develop and manage tourism destinations and products. Sustainability theme aims to mitigate the negative impacts of tourism, such as carbon emissions and over-tourism, while also looking for opportunities for tourism to contribute to sustainable development. Sustainable Development Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, was the focus of Committee on Tourism and Sustainability. One of the issues for this goal is lack of data and measurement. Last year, UNWTO started UNWTO Academy that aims to develop various tourism training and education programs to stimulate the development of young talents and future leadership in tourism. Interestingly, among the niche tourism products, medical and health tourism gained special attention. There was a high-profile forum discussing the market trends in medical and health tourism and also sharing the experiences. Overall, attending the General Assembly of UNWTO provides a great opportunity to learn from global leaders, share experiences about tourism trends, issues and solutions, and also to grow your own network.